on this weird King Kong ride at Bobbejaanland in Belgium. It looks pretty scary from the outside, but you'll see it's just weird. Man, that ape has some very pronounced nipples. Here we go, Kong. Hello, Kong. How are you? It's like Kong zombie. Whoa. You can see the ride is just kind of tilting, and Kong is just over here growling. This is so weird. We're tilting and moving. What's up, Kong? This is such a bizarre ride. And we're being put back down. There's those big ass nipples again. Hello, nipples. I feel like we get like a Kong nipple view for quite some time here. He really wants us to check out his nipples. There we go. Still looking at his nipples. Bye-bye, Kong. There's some Kong crotch for you. Alright, that was Kong here at Bobbejaanland. Be sure to post something in the comments below what you think of this ride. We think it's pretty weird. Tell us what you think.